Welcome back, folks. Today we are going to unbox two Mini GT models. They are from the 2023 IMSA collection. Yeah, I figure the 2025 IMSA season is right around the corner. I believe they start tomorrow in Daytona. It's the 24-hour Rolex in Daytona. So I can't wait to watch that. So in spirit of that, um, let's go ahead and open two cars from their 2023 season. All right, let's crack this open first. This is the BMW M4 GT3 number one car. It's from the 2023 IMSA Sebring 12-hour GTD winner. This is, of course, Paul Miller Racing. And I don't usually collect BMWs, but since I got into IMSA recently, I figured, well, at least this is my plan. So my plan is I don't want to collect all IMSA cars, right? So that's going to cost me a lot of money. And it's just a lot of money. Instead of collecting all of them, I'm focusing on the winners. So all winning cars from the IMSA series or collection, from the IMSA collection. And I mean, I'm not restricting myself from just getting the winners, but because sometimes I like the livery. Um, they don't win the races, but I just happen to like the livery, which is, I think this is a perfect example of it. Um, this GTP car didn't win in Daytona. I hope I'm not mistaken. At least it's not labeled here as a winner. So, but I do happen to like the livery. I think the colors and all that look good. So I ended up buying it. So this is one of the example, but the priority is to get all the winners first. And if I happen to like a specific car or livery like this one, I'll get that too. But you know, so that's the priority list for me on how I like to collect IMSA cars. So let's take a look at this BMW first. If you guys watched my last video when I opened the Porsche 911 by Sparky, um, I think the casting on that one is really good. Delivery is superb, top notch. That's the main reason why I purchased those two cars, and it's an RSR. So I collect Porsche. The only thing that I didn't like about those two cars is the tire printing. They don't have tire printing like Mini GT. Maybe they don't have a license for it, which is unfortunate because their casting looks really good. I mean, they're more expensive than Mini GT. I believe they start around $20. Mini GT, at least for the IMSA collection, they start around 15, 17 to $20. So they're a bit cheaper, and I think, in my opinion, they're more detailed. So let's take a look at this car. The body's white with red trim, black and blue. And then on the side here, we have the car number one. This car is from the WeatherTech series. Um, got the sponsorship printing here, or decals, quartz engine oil. Got the BMW logo here. And let's see what else. You got the GTD badge there. You got the air intake on the side. The side mirror are, I think, yeah, it's still rubber. Of course, it's Mini GT. The tires are rubber. Looks like they're sporting soft tires here. And yeah, the tires looks good. I don't have any complaints there. And in front, um, headlights looks good. I think, correct me if I'm wrong. Sorry, I apologize in advance if I'm making a mistake regarding the headlight color here. But I think the yellow headlights are, that means the cars race at night, and the clear ones race in the daytime. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. Sorry if I make a mistake on that. But I do like the yellow headlamps here uh, on the white car. It's just, I think it looks clean. you ask me. Yeah, the front looks very aggressive. I mean, that's the M4 for you, right? The grill is like really big. And inside the grill, looks like the IMSA logo and the M4 badging or printing there. The lower left, we have some more sponsorship decals, Motul, Michelin. Um, I don't know what this is exactly. It looks like a UIS. I'm not familiar with that sponsor or logo. Got the BMW badge. It's printed. It's not like a separate piece. In the bonnet, in the vents on the right vent, we have the BMW logo with the motors, the M logo as well with the motorsport. Um, yeah, there's a lot of details here, and then of course the car number in the middle, and on the windshield, the wiper is embedded on the windshield, and we got the motorsport BMW motorsport banner up top. And then continuing on the top, we got the Paul Miller Racing logo or decal on top. And in the back, we got the rear windshield and the wing in not carbon fiber. It's just like a black wing with green trim on the side. As you might expect, it's similar to the driver's side here. Tires rolls really good. And then lastly, on the rear, we have the acrylic taillights here. Looks really good. Got the car number, Paul Miller printing there, and the GTD um, printing, UIS, quartz, engine oil. Yeah, and the rear diffuser. And on the back, I mean, in the bottom, it shows you that it's licensed by the BMW Mini GT. But yeah, this one looks really good. Let's do a quick roll test. Yeah, it's a good roller. This is my first BMW M4 in my collection. I know they have some stock ones. I believe there are a couple of stock M4s produced by Mini GT already. But yeah, and like I said, I got into GT3 racing or endurance racing recently, so I started buying like these cars, and they look really good, guys. I don't know. I mean, I think even if you're not into racing, I think you're gonna like this model. I mean, I think they're gonna look good on display when they're all like together, you know. So I'm very happy with this one. This on the side, and open this guy right here. Pretty excited about this. The box there. Yeah, I should show you the box. I mean, if you care about it, I do. I always do care about the box. Zoom in a little bit, and of course, they are licensed by BMW, and of course your TSM sticker there, certifying that this is a legit TSM slash Mini GT model. Same with the other one. This one right here is the BMW M Hybrid V8. This is the GTP car. Sorry, the number 24 car. This is from the 2023 IMSA Daytona 24-hour race, Team RLL. Not quite familiar with that team yet. Like I said, I'm still learning IMSA and the teams and all that. Um, but yeah, they have a lot of content on YouTube. So if you guys want to learn about IMSA, they have a lot of guides on how to watch it, teams, drivers, and all that. So it's a lot to learn. It's a lot of fun. So going back to this model. Okay, let's take a look at the driver's side first, or I guess in this case, don't they sit in the middle? No, they're left-hand drive. Okay, anyways, we have the car number here from WeatherTech series at number 24 car. The IQOO sponsorship, BMW. The color here is great, by the way. And like I said, it's very similar to that one. It's very BMW with the blue, red, and white. You know, I always like that color combination. So this is excellent. Tires, yeah, they're rubber. Tires looks good. Rims looks good. Tire printing all around, which is great. Shell printing there. Puma got more sponsors here. Puma, and then yeah, that thing is too tiny, but I think that's the IMSA logo up there. I got the Michelin Man down here. UIS or USI or whatever. Not familiar with that sponsor just yet. Um, take a look at the front. Front looks really good. Acrylic lights. And again, this is they're not sporting the yellow headlamps, so I'm pretty sure they race in the daytime. But I don't know if the yellow thing applies to GTP cars. Um, I know in this case, this is a GTD car, so it's a different car, so they might have different rules for that. But yeah, this one is clear. Well, it's kind of smoked. The headlights are kind of smoke here. It's kind of dark, but I kind of like this transition here. The blue, white on top, blue, and then it transitions to red. I think that's a nice touch. The IQOO or IGOO logo is on the bonnet with the car number, the WeatherTech series. And then there's a lot of vents here going on. There's a 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. I don't think these are vents, but these are the cutouts for the wheels. Something that I don't really see when I watch IMSA. I guess I just haven't noticed it. Um, but yeah, there is a cutout in front at least, and I guess on the back as well. I guess those are for aero. So that's very interesting. Something you learn every day. The side mirrors are rubber, hard rubber, and same sponsors on this side. And then we have the fin up here with the red, blue, and white and gray, I guess, with the shell printing there. Puma, same as the other side, and then the IMSA logo on the back. On the rear diffuser, it's not too crazy like the GTTP cars or GTD cars. And then of course the wing. It's similar design to the GTD cars that I showed you guys with the BMW printing, the BMW Motorsport printing. So yeah, this is the GTP car. This is the BMW one, and I have more coming. This is the first one because you know, I'm still playing catch up. I'm just started collecting IMSA just this year, so I'm playing catch up. I'm just glad that they're still available. So yeah, that's that. Let's do a quick roll test. Yeah, they roll really nice. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for today. I figured, before the IMSA 2025 season begins tomorrow, I figured open my first two IMSA model cars here, just to for inspiration, because I'm really pumped to watch IMSA tomorrow. I mean, I'm not gonna watch the whole thing because it's a long race, but the TV is gonna be on or the computer is gonna be on the whole day. I'll be in and out trying to catch a race. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Okay. All right. Bye.